Hello students, I am Sunny sir from Mahdi English School. I hope all of you are keeping well and taking care of yourselves. See that whenever you go out, please wear your mask, and as soon as you come back, you should wash your hands for 30 seconds with a soap or with the sanitizer. If possible, always keep the sanitizer in your pocket. You should wash your hands at every hour during the day. See that you do not eat junk food, the food brought from outside. Please eat the food which is made at home. Please eat the hot food at the time when it is hot. Don't eat the stale food. Please take care of yourselves and keep your surroundings neat and tidy. So this video is for class 2, subject science. Before we begin, let us read a thought. You can learn something new every day if you listen. So what is the meaning of this thought? That you should listen. You should speak less, but you should listen more. When you listen, you will learn something new every day. You should focus and you should listen to each and everyone. Whoever is saying, it is something new that you will understand, you will come to know. So you can learn something new every day if you listen. Means you should focus on listening. You should speak less and listen more. That is what is the meaning of this thought. And in today's video, we are going to cover these topics. First, we have already started chapter 3, animals that help us. In that lesson, we have already covered some topics, how animals help us. So we will have the quick revision of the previous video. After that, we will learn more about pet animals today. Then, after that, we are going to solve some interesting worksheets based on the same topic, means based on pet animals. So, let us start with the revision of the previous video quickly. So, in the previous video, we had seen how animals help us in many ways. Like, as you can see, the donkey carrying the load. So, animals such as oxen, horses, donkey, elephants and camels, they carry heavy load for us. That is how they help us. Then we had seen oxen, how oxen carries the load and the human being sitting on the back and he is going along with the oxen. This cart is sitting on the cart and this heavy load is being carried by these two oxen, and this is how animals can help us. Then we had seen different animals like horse. He can carry the load at his back and it will make our work easier. We can go from a place to another place, and the horse, this animal also can help us a lot. After that, we had seen donkey, how donkey carries a lot of load and how he works, how he goes for miles without any complaint. He will work very hard for us. He will carry so many things on his back for us. Then after that, we had seen elephant. Elephant can carry trees and trunks on his back, and he can also take human beings from one place to another place. Elephants are also helpful for us. They can also give a lot of work and they can make our work easy. They can carry the trees, trunks and branches which are very heavy, which is not possible for other animals. But elephants can carry these heavy things very easily. Then we had seen camels, the sheep of the desert. Camels can also carry the heavy load on its back. It can carry our luggage, our bags, and we can sit on the back of the camel and have a camel ride. Like in the desert safari, we can have the safari, we can sit on the camel and we can have the ride of the desert. Then we had seen some animals help us to move from one place to another place, like horse, cow, camel, etc. All these are the animals, and some pictures of animals where you can see the cart is there. Cart means the place where these people are sitting. They can sit on this cart. A, B, C, D, E and F. These 6 images show that how animals can help us carry one thing from one place to another, and even they can carry us we can sit in the cart and travel around. After that, we had seen how we can sit on the back of the camel and we can move in the desert. If we walk over here, our speed will not be as much as the speed of the camel. We can sit at the back and have a very nice ride. Then you can see how elephants are very large creatures. They can walk inside this river or lake and they can carry from one place to another. If we walk over here, we may fall down, but elephants, they can carry us easily. See, so many people are sitting on one elephant because elephant is very energetic and very large animal. So this is how elephant helps us. Then lastly, we had seen bullock cart. How many people sitting? See, so many people, approximately 8 to 10 people sitting bullock cart, and these animals are helping all these people to travel from one place to another place. This is how animals help us in many ways. So today we will continue with our lesson, animals that help us. We will learn some new topics today. So let us learn about what are pet animals. So have you heard this word, pet animals? Have you heard this word before? P-E-T, pet. See, can you see over here? This is the image of the pet animal. So today we are going to learn about some different animals like dogs, cats. All these are called pet animals. Means we can keep these animals in our house and they can help us in many ways, and they also love us a lot. So today we are going to learn about pet animals. So what is given over here? Can you see the images of different pet animals? Dog, cat, rabbit, tortoise, mouse. All these are pets which are given over here, as you can see. So pet animals, animals that we keep in our homes are called pets. So what do you understand by pets? All these animals like dog, cat, fish, mouse, tortoise, all these animals we can keep in our house, and that animals are called pet animals or pets. Pets are nothing less than a part of the family. We keep these animals like cat or dog and they will become a part of our family. They will become like our family member. They will love us a lot. Pets give unconditional love to their owners. Means if you have brought the cat or dog in your house, the cat or dog will love you so much. Just like your brothers and sisters love you, same way your pets will love a lot. They have a lot of love inside them. Then pets are unique and the most lovable creatures on the earth, on our whole planet. Both animals and birds can be our pets. Means we can keep animals and birds both in our house as pet. And there are so many pets as you can see on your screen. All these are our pet dogs and birds which we can keep in our house. See, cats, dogs, rabbits and parrots are example of pet animals. These are all pet animals which we can keep in our house and they can help us in many ways. See, cats. You might have seen different colors of cats, different varieties of cats. Have you? See, these are different cats and very cute little pets. Cat is a small pet animal. Cat likes milk and fish. You might have seen cat will run after milk. They like milk and fish a lot. Cat has greenish eyes. Can you see over here? They have greenish eyes. And cat can see in dark. At night we cannot see if there is no light. But cats can even see in the dark. Cat has short and silky hair on its body. Can you see over here? See, cat has short and silky hair on its body. Cat has a furry tail. See, The tail of the cat is furry. It is very soft and lot of fur. Cat, it has sharp claws. See the hands, the four legs are there and the claws are very sharp. It can hurt any animal. Cats like to chase mouse, means cats will run after mouse because cats like eating mouse. They will run when they see mouse. Cats are great pets because they know how to clean up after each other. So cats are very good and very nice pets. We can keep them in our house. So young one of the cat is called kitten. Can you see over here? See, this is kitten. Kitten. The child, the young one of the cat is called kitten. Cats make the sound meow. They make meow sound. That is the sound made by cat. Then, which is this animal? Can you identify? This is a dog. Dog is a pet animal. Dog is known as man's best friend. Dog is our best friend. Dogs are of different colors and sizes. And the dogs will bark. Dogs can run very fast. You might have seen dogs running fast after cats. Dogs can also swim. Do you know in water the dogs can swim. They know how to swim. Dog has 2 ears and very sharp teeth. Just like human beings, dogs have 2 ears and 2 eyes and a mouth and the teeth is very sharp. Dog likes to eat bones. They like eating bones. Young one of the dog is called puppy. Puppy. That is the young one of the dog. The child of the dog is called puppy. The dog guards our house and makes us alert of danger. So someone who comes in our house at night, then dog will bark and inform us that someone is coming, and dog will protect our house. Dog has 4 legs just like cats. Dogs live in kennel. See, we can also make the small house for dogs outside in our garden or in the park. Then one more animal. See, can you identify this animal? This is rabbit. Rabbit is a small pet animal with long ears. Can you see? Long ears. This is also a small pet animal. It is known as bunny. The other name of the rabbit is bunny. Bunny. Rabbits have thick fur on their skin. So the fur, the outer part of the body, they have skin and it is very soft fur. Rabbits have 2 eyes on the side of their head. Can you see over here? Here is one and on that side is one more eye. So rabbit have 2 eyes on each sides, one side and on the other side. Then rabbits can jump very far because of its powerful legs. So it can jump very far away because rabbits have very powerful legs. So it can jump at a long distance. Rabbits eat grass, leaves, fruits, vegetables, etc. All these things rabbits eat. Grass, leaves, fruits, vegetables. Rabbit loves to eat carrots. It is the favorite food of rabbit. Carrot are eaten by rabbit a lot. You might have seen carrot. Have you? Then rabbits live in burrows. They make their burrows and they live inside the burrows. Rabbits can sleep with their eyes open. Do you know that? We close our eyes when we sleep, but rabbits can sleep with their eyes open. Rabbits' teeth can't stop growing. Rabbits' teeth, rabbits' teeth are very sharp and long. So the teeth will keep on growing and growing. It will not stop growing. That are called rabbits. Then, can you identify what is this colorful pet, this is called parrot. So these are two. So we say parrots. There are around 372 different parrots in the world. 372 different parrots. Parrots have curved beaks. See, here this is called the beak of the parrot. Their beak is curved, not straight. And they have strong legs and clawed feet. See their feet. They can catch anything and stand easily. And their beak is also very sharp. Parrots are believed to be one of the most intelligent birds. See, there are so many birds in the world, right? But parrots, they are most intelligent birds. They have very good mind. Then parrots are of different colors. They have variety of colors in them. Parrots can fly at very fast speed. When they fly, their speed is very fast. Parrots like to eat chilies. They like to eat chilies, and chilies are very spicy. Still, they can eat chilies which are of red color and sometimes green. So, they can eat chilies very nicely. But if we eat chilies, then we might have to drink water immediately. But parrots can eat chilies without any problem. So, this is one more pet which we can keep in the house, that is parrot. And do you know something? When you speak something, parrots can copy and speak in the same way in your voice. Like you speak your name, then parrots will repeat after you. That is what is the speciality of the bird. Then what is given? Pets are our friends. They help us in many ways. Like you see, the girl is petting the pet dog. So pets are our friends like dogs and cats, and they help us in many ways. So we should always take care of these pet animals. We should never throw stones at them, and we should always give them some food or milk whenever we see pet animals moving on the road. We should take care of these animals because they love us a lot. Then a dog guards our house and a cat chases mice away. See, when someone enters our house, then dogs, if we have dogs in our house, they will start barking. They will give us a signal that someone is coming in the house. So dogs will protect our house. Guard means to take care of the house. Dogs will take care of our house, and this cat will chase the mice away. Means cat will throw the mice away out of the house. So mice will not spoil our things, because if we see the mouse in the house, then mouse will tear our pages and it can do a lot of damage, right? So cat, if cat is there in our house, then mouse will run away out of the house. So animals are useful in so many different ways, and we should always take care and love our pet animals. Now let us try to solve worksheet based on these animals. So this is the worksheet. We have to write the names of some animals. So some animals are pet animals and some animals are wild animals. All the animals are not the pet animals over here. But in this worksheet, we have to identify the names of the animals. So let us see. What is the first one? Can you identify this animal? Very dangerous. It has a lot of power. And king of jungle. Do you know this animal? This is a lion. So let us write the spelling. Do you know the spelling? L-I-O-N. Lion. And we will put in the box. Lion. This is wild animal which is found in jungle. Then can you identify second one? Very heavy animal and it has a lot of weight. It carries the trunks and branches of the tree from one place to another place. Do you know the name? This is an elephant. So let us write what is the spelling of elephant. Do you know? E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T. Elephant. And we have to put in the box. E-L-E BHANT, elephant. Then number 3, very nice, very good, helpful animal which will guard our house, it will protect our house and give signal if anything is wrong. So what is this animal? Pet animal, dog. Let us write the spelling D-O-G, dog, and put in the box. See, can you see the name I have written over here? Then number 4, which is this animal? Very tiny animal, very cute little animal, and this will run after the mouse and will try to eat the mouse, and it likes to eat meat and likes drinking milk a lot. So this is a cat. Let us write the spelling C-A-T, cat, and we'll put in the box over here, C-A-T, cat. Then number 4, see this animal very enjoying a lot, and what is in his hand? Banana. So that is his favorite fruit. And do you identify this animal? What is the name of this animal? This is a monkey, and it will jump a lot from one tree to another tree. And what is the spelling? M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. And I have put in the box over here. Next, this animal will help you to carry load from one place to another place. And what is the name of this animal? It is a horse, H-O-R-S-E, horse. Then next, do you know this animal? Which is this animal? It can give us milk, and it is very tiny animal, and it is useful in many other ways. Do you know the name of this animal? It is goat. So what is the spelling? G-O-A-T, goat. And we put it in the box over here, G-O-A-T, goat. Then next, this animal, do you identify this animal? It gives us milk, it is of black and white color, and it is also in different colors, and we call it Gai Mata. Do you identify? It will eat grass and helpful in many other ways. It is a cow. So what is the spelling? C-O-W, cow. And we put it in the blank in the box over there, C-O-W, cow. So now let us look at the next animals which are given. So this animal, do you know this animal? Very strong and very heavy animal, very strong. We have to be very careful if you see this animal in front of you. It is a buffalo. So let us write what is the spelling of buffalo? B-U-F-F-A-L-O, buffalo, B-U-F-F-A-L-O, and we put it in the blank in the box which is given over here, buffalo. Then last, do you identify this animal? It is the animal which likes to eat carrot, and carrot is the favorite food of this animal. So what is the name of this animal? It is rabbit. Let us write the spelling R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit, and we put it in the box which is given, R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Now let us see all the animals once again. Some are pet, some are wild animals. Let us read the names. L-I-O-N, lion. E-L-E-P-H-A-N-T, elephant. D-O-G, dog. C-A-T, cat. M-O-N-K-E-Y, monkey. H-O-R-S-E, horse. G-O-A-T, goat. C-O-W, cow. B-U-F-F-A-L-O, buffalo. R-A-B-B-I-T, rabbit. Now let us solve the worksheet which we have already done. So we will just revise this worksheet. What is given? Write true or false. We get milk only from cows and buffaloes. Is it true? Do we get milk only from cows and buffaloes? No, it is false. We don't get milk only from cows or buffaloes. We get milk from many other animals. So that is false. Next, we get eggs from birds such as hens and ducks. So hens and ducks, they give us eggs. Is it true? Yes, it is true. So let us write the spelling true, true, because we get eggs from hens and ducks. They give us eggs. Next, we get meat only from chicken. Is it right? Do we get meat, the non-veg, only from chicken? No, we get meat from many other animals. So it is a false statement, and I put it in the blank over here. Then what is given? We get silk from silkworms. Is it correct? See, we get silk from this insect, that is silkworm, and silk is used for making saris. So do we get silk from silkworms? Yes, it is true that we get silk from silkworms. So let us write true, true, because we get silk from silkworms. It is a true statement. Then next, questions and answers. What is given? Name 3 animals that carry load for us. So we have just done in the previous video. This is the quick revision. So can you name any 3 animals that will carry load for us on the back, and even we can sit and we can go and we can easily move from one place to another place. So which are that animals? First is donkey, donkey, donkey. Then ox, and one more name we have to write, horse, horse, horse. These are the 3 animals which will carry load on their back: donkey, ox, and horse. Next question. Name 2 animals that help us to move from one place to another. Like we can sit on the back, as I told you, and we can travel from one place to another place. So which animals will help us to travel from one place to another place? So let us write the name. First one again, horse, because we can sit on the back of the horse, and one more is there, ox. Horse and ox. These are the 2 animals on which we can sit on their back and travel from one place to another place. Then what is given? Match the animals with their products. So which animals give us which product, that we have to match. Let us do it. See, what is given over here? Cow. So what does cow give us? Cow give us milk. So let us match cow with milk, because cow gives us milk. Then what is given? Can you see this? Hen gives us eggs. So let us match hen with the eggs, because we get eggs from hen. Then what is given? This sheep, means the young one of the sheep. It gives us wool, and we can make clothes, woolen clothes out of wool. So let us match with that. Next, what is given? The animals are given, and what do we get from animals? That we have to match again. So from honeybee we get honey. From hen we get egg. From sheep we get wool, and we can make woolen clothes. Then what is given? We have to fulfill the words which are missing. So what is this? This is a goat. So let us write the answer. This is goat. What is the spelling? GOAT, goat. And I am writing my answer, and I will put it over here. This is goat, GOAT. Then this is a buffalo. So what is the spelling of buffalo? BUFFALO, buffalo. And I put it over here so that you can see. Then last, can you identify this? This is a honeybee. It gives us honey. What is the spelling? HONEY, honey, BEE, honeybee. And I keep it over here. So goat, buffalo, honeybee. So in today's video, what did we learn? We learned chapter 3, continued, animals that help us. We saw the recap of the previous video, how animals help us to carry load, and even we can sit on the animals and travel from place to place. And today we also learnt about some pet animals like cats, dogs, and different animals that we can keep in our house as the pet, and how that animals will guard our house and help us in many different ways. After that, we also solved some interesting worksheets along with the revision of the previous worksheets of the previous video. So thank you all of you.